And in today's video, I will tell you how you can see the bills of your Netflix subscription. Sometimes we need a confirmation of our bank statements, and also we want to know the expenses, and that expenses may be from your Netflix as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For this, you need to open your Netflix application. Now select any account out of this four. Now tap on the profile icon. Now tap on the three lines. Select the account. On this page, tap on billing details and you will get the past statements of your subscription. So by following these steps, you can easily find the bills of your Netflix, and you can also identify the monthly expenses of your pocket. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.